Ever plan to study, but end up watching random YouTube clips or scrolling through Insta? I get it, we've all been there. The good news? Your phone isn't the enemy, it's all about how you use it. Today, I'm sharing 4 amazing apps that can supercharge your study sessions and keep distractions away. I'm not here to sell you anything, just sharing what works. Stick around for a bonus tip that top students crave about. App 1. Forest. Let's be honest, most of us can't resist checking our phones. Forest helps fix that. You plant a virtual tree, and it grows as long as you leave your phone alone. But if you grab it to check social media, your tree dies. Research says a single notification can steal your focus for up to 23 minutes. Forest keeps you locked in so you can actually get stuff done. App 2. Notion. Are your study notes a total mess, spread across notebooks, apps, or random scraps of paper? Notion is like a super organized digital brain. You can store notes, make to-do lists, track homework, and plan your study schedule all in one place. Pro tip: grab their free templates to set things up fast. Oh, and it's free for students. App 3. Anki. Ever study hard, feel great, and then forget everything the next day? That's because our brains naturally forget things. Anki solves this with spaced repetition. It shows you flashcards at just the right time to help you remember better, like 200% better. Fun fact, med students love this app because it practically trains your brain to hold on to info. App 4. Speechify. What if you could study without reading a single page? Speechify turns your textbooks or notes into audio. Listen while you're walking, exercising, or just chilling in bed. Studies show that listening while picturing the material boosts understanding by nearly 30%. So, when you're too tired to read, let Speechify do the heavy lifting. Your phone can either be your study buddy or your biggest distraction. It's up to you. Which app are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. Now, go crush your study session.